Heritage in every jar, Andong Old Flavor brings Korea's timeless taste to today's table. Discover the 3 key points behind Andong's authentic soybean paste. 3 reasons to trust Andong's authentic soybean paste. Pure ingredients, honest methods, and tradition you can trust. First, government-certified excellence made with 100% Korean soybeans. Second, fermented naturally in traditional Onggi, nurtured by wind, sunlight, and time. Third, Onggi and Meju work together to develop deep flavor through slow, living fermentation. A simple, honest recipe. Korean soybeans, refined salt, and purified water. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us